Now question 1. A vessel contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 7:3. 24 liters of mixture is taken out and 6 liters of water is added. If the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture is 3:2, what is the quantity of water in the resultant mixture? So I don't have the initial value of mixture. I only know the ratio of milk and water, which is 7:3. So I will consider this as 7x and 3x. So milk by water, that is 7x and 3x. And what happened? 24 liters of mixture is taken out. When I take out the 24 liter of mixture, then what quantity of water milk comes out and what quantity of water comes out? The milk and water will come out in the ratio of 7:3. So out of 24 liters, the milk will be 24 into 7 by 7 plus 3, that is 10, and this gives us 168, and decimal come over here. What about water? So 24 minus 16.8, or I can write it as 24 into 3 by 10. In either case, I get this as 7.2. So let's subtract this from the original milk, which is 7x. So 7x minus 16.8, and the water 3x minus 7.2. This is what the 24 liters, if you add up, this 16.8 plus 7.2, you find that it's 24 liters. Now one additional activity has taken place. 6 liters of water is added. So I will add the water 6 liters here, and then it's become in the ratio of 3:2. This is the equation form. Now by solving the equation, I get the result, x value. Let's do it. 7 into 2 is, that's 14x, and here 339, so minus 9x is equal to, now when I solve this, minus 7.2 plus 6, I get here as minus 1.2. So here 3 into minus 1.2, I get minus 3.6, and here 16.8 into 2. So 16 double is 32, 320, and 8 double is 16, so 336. So this is minus 33.6. When the minus goes, the other side will become plus. So I will left with here as 30. So this is 30. So I can say that 14x minus 9x, which is 5x, and 5x is equal to 30. Then x is equal to 6. Now what I need to do? I need to find out the final water. Can you see that? What is the quantity of water in resultant mixture? So the quantity of water in the resultant mixture is this 3x minus 1.2. Now x is equal to 6, then 3x is equal to 18, and my required number is 18 minus this 1.2, and I get this as 16.8 liters. So in the final mixture, the water part is 16.8. This is my answer. Do we have option? Option choice 5. Now question 2. A milkman has 80 liters of a mixture containing 40% water. If he sells 20 liters of mixture to customer and add x liter of pure milk to the remaining, then the ratio of milk to water is 13:2. Find the x value. So given to us is 80 liters of mixture in which the milk and water, it said water is 40%, then obviously milk is 60%. That means it's in the ratio of 3:2. Okay. Now 20 liters of mixture is sold. Here it's given 20 liters of mixture is sold. So I left with 60 liter of mixture. In this 60 liter of mixture, the milk and water will be in the ratio of 3:2. That is, milk is 60 into 3 by 5. I do that rough calculation here. 60 into 3 by 5. Now here it goes 12 times. 12 into 3 is 36. So the milk in this 60 liter of mixture is 36 and the water is 60 minus 36, that comes 24. And given to us is the X liter of pure milk is added and then milk to water ratio is 13:2. So there is no change in water. There is only change in milk. The X liter of milk is added here. So let's put in the equation this, that is 36 plus X by 24 is equal to 13 by 2. You are asked to find out the X value. Let's go for the solving this equation. So 36 into 2 is 72 plus 2x is equal to 13,452 5 and 26 plus 5 is 31. So 2x, simply solving this equation, 2x is equal to 312 minus 72 and I left with 240. Therefore x is equal to 120. You are asked to find out the x value, which is 120. This is my answer. Do we have option? Yes. Option choice 1.